Hello everyone, my name is Five Freddy, and we're gonna record the interview of Manny Pacman, and I'm the cameraman.
I am the reporter and we will gonna interview the Manny Bahog Ilok Paksi. You know, I'm the man, you know. Uy, punto. What's this? I'm busy now. You're back. Hello. Oh.
What do you?
It's my cage that takas may may isang balina dito.
Uy, awa di uy.
May isang balina dito. Hindi. Wala na akong balina dito. Pwede na ba?
Speak English, speak English.
Okay. It's a whale. What you doing, whale? Okay. Pwede na ba akong mag-report? Okay, report.
Yeah, reporter.
Ano pong masasabi niyo na?
English.
Ay, what are you saying? That the saying is okay, you know. I'm saying because you you know. Who is that girl? He is that guy that do not have long arm anymore. Let it go. Bakit po kayo naging sino pong sparring niya kaya maging magaling kayong boxing?
English.
My sparring is yung bailena balyena doon. Isa yan, no?
Reporter. Speak English.
If I will be a boxer, if I will be a boxing hero, you know, do I have a chance? You know, ladies first. You have a chance, you know, to know the basketball, you know. Yeah. Where do you practice? I practice in swimming pool. Where do you learn your boxing skills? Why do you learn? Because I miss you. And I'm my husband. my rabbit. Doon po ay may rabbit yan. Lumabay. May rabbit.
Okay, sawa na.
Ladies first. Wala man gitaro. Nawag ko. Hello. Why do your camera is in front of me? I'm busy, you know. Hello. Hello. You know. Hello. Okay. Report. Is your papa boxing hero? No, my papa is fast running. And my driver taxi is Nira. He is pogi and he's maraming kicks. Ang kicks ko ay bayot.
Anak raw.
Who is your wife? My wife is Jinky Pak Yu. Jinky Pak Yu. He is my son. He is my daughter. He is my grandmother. My nieces and my husband. My lulu. Thank you for reporting of all my needs.
Cut print. Cut print. Bye-bye.
Breaking news, dinudumog si Manny Pacquiao ng mga tao. natin balita. Balita, sa radyong luwa. Mayos.
English. English.
Fish have run. Oh, Bisaya lang sa'yo. Balita, nandito po tayo sa dagat. Kasi maraming tao dito. Kasi may isdang lumalakad. Tapos, hinabol yung mga tao. Andyan yung buksit. Andyan yung buksit.
Oh, mana.
Tama na pa. Bayo. Ako, nandito po tayo sa Pacific Ocean Bunbun. Boracay, Bunbun style. Boracay, Bunbun version. Ha?
Awa sa amin.
Ay, nakaalas na. Ha? May barko, nalunod. Hindi nakatiis, lumutong. And my name is Pacific Ocean. Bunbun style. Bunbun style. Nandito po tayo sa Araneta Coliseum sa USA. Because Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant have hair.
Okay, everyone, I'm gonna end this video here. Stay out on my podcast.